Our wife. How you doing now? Smile for me now. Who be me and you they get clash? Oh, smile, smile, smile. Smile for us now, auntie. Okay, wait. I know what my brother did earlier. Actually wrong. Because me like this, I dey vex for him. I no go lie you. That's why I came to meet you. I want us to run something together.
No.
I beg now. No, seriously, this plan to work out. Let me just tell you. Yeah.
That's a great idea.
I told you now. I told you.
Yeah.
So we are in, Abby.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Hey, bro.
Wait. I'm playing game.
Bro, now. I'm fine.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, bro. We have something we want to tell you.
Yeah, very, very important.
Can that wait? Let me finish this game.
Chill now. I want to tell you something. Just hear us out.
Wait, I don't understand. How come? The two both of you?
She's my friend.
Sure you don't want us to settle our issues, bro.
At least my boyfriend's sister.
We're good now. Are you not happy for us?
No. Something is fishy here.
What are you saying? Well, anyhow, bro, we want to tell you something very important.
Yeah. We need to make our hair. You know, we need to buy makeups, look good, and we need to make our nails and go shopping.
Yeah, I want to change my wardrobe. I want to go for spa. I want to go for face scrub. See my face now, bro. It's not fresh now. We do pedicure, manicure. Like that, Sha. So we just need small change from you.
And that's not the problem now. That's not the problem. How much is it?
400k.
Yeah! 400 what?
Bro, why you shouting? Come on, it's small now, bro. It's small from what you can do for us now. Why are you doing like this?
Babe, you're more than that.
400k. 500,000 naira. I'll go and buy land at Ekpe.
Bro, you're bigger than
It's not like it's small.
I'm not get. I don't have.
Babe, no.
I don't have. Let me play my game, Joe.
Will you keep quiet?
Okay, it's okay. I'll give you. 400,000. I don't have 400,000 naira cash here at home. I can only transfer. Sure, am I transferring to?
Transfer to me.
No, bro, transfer money to me.
Transfer to me.
Bro, transfer the money to me.
No, I said.
You have
to
wahala.
me.
I should transfer to her.
Transfer to her.
To your First Bank or Diamond Art?
Diamond Bank.
I've sent it.
Thank you.
Go there, let me continue my game. I don't understand. The two of them. I'm in trouble.
No, baby.
Wait. Why are you smelling alcohol like this?
Oh, we went to enjoy ourselves.
Wait. Where are the things we went to buy?
Oh, went for boat cruise.
Boat cruise.
If I told you want to go for boat cruise, you will not give us the money.
Yes, so we decided to just go and spend the money. We bought drinks, food, and lots of drinks, and we rented a big ship, bro.
Wait. I think 400,000 naira. to change wardrobe. But so you went for boat cruise?
Bro, now that money is nothing now. Bro, why are you shouting on us like this?
400,000.
How fast do we hear of this?
Bro, I miss
Stop eating me!
you. Bro, now.
Wait, why are people crying now? I'm sorry for shouting at people, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, you are a mumu man.
Bro, I said
Jesus is Lord.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Jesus.
inside.
You are a mumu man. How fast do we hear of this?
God. Hey. Which kind of thing is this one now? Eh? Wait. 400,000. Boat cruise, alcohol. Hey! I'm finished. Still trying to love two ladies. Eh? My only sister and my girlfriend. Now they are now friends. I must break that friendship. I must break it. Hey, I must break it.
You are a mumu man.
Wait, you should. No.
I don't see this guy for film before now. I've seen him in one of the movies. I've watched one of his movies.
I do see his movies very nice. He's very good actor, as in
So good.
Just look at it, just think that. The guy will not finish me.
All these people with their tricks.
I'm telling you.
Bro, what's up now? What's wrong with you?
I'm fine. What are you guys watching?
Man, what's this guy now? You never see
Like
him
that.
on the film. Bro, are you sure you're alright?
I'm fine, Jerry. It's just maybe I didn't sleep well or something.
When? How?
Just little back pain. Small sharp. I'll be fine.
What am I here for? Let me massage you now. Oh yeah, now let me help you massage now. Small thing.
That's why you're my sweetest sister. Ah,
Sorry.
there.
Since your back is paining you, maybe your hand is paining you too.
Bro, you have to pay me. Let me help you.
Your leg too will be paining you. Bring your leg. Let me that for you.
Hey!
Bro, let me bounce on this one.